Hello, this is Nefertari once again. Happy Sabbath to everyone. Today we are going to have once again our Bible quiz from chapters 13 all the way to 15 of Genesis. So, if you haven't read these verses, then take a pause and read, and let's proceed now to our quiz. Number 1. Why did Abram and Lot's slave quarreled? A. Because they do not like the others. B. Because they disputed the number of sheep, goats, and cattle owned by their masters. Or C. Because Abram and Lot had an argument. Or D. Because there was not enough pasture. So in Bisaya, ngano nag-away man ang mga sakop ni Lot o ni Abram? Letter A, tungod kay di sila ganahan sa tagsa-tagsa. Or letter B, tungod kay nag-away sila, tungod kay wa na nagkadimaw ang ilahang mga karnero o ilang mga cattle. Letter C, tungod kay nag-away pod si Abram o si Lot. Or letter D, tungod kay walay enough nga space para pakaunon ang mga hayop nila Lot o ni Abram. Number 2. Who made a choice first when Lot and Abram separated? A. Sarai. B. Lot. C. Abram. Letter D. God. So in Bisaya, kinsay una nag-decide katong magbulag na og dalan si Lot o si Abram? Letter A. Si Sarai. Letter B. Si Lot. Letter C. Si Abram. Or letter D. Ang Ginoo ang nagbuot para sa ilaha. Number 3. Because of war between kings, the king of Sodom was defeated and his kingdom looted. This included Lot and his properties because he lived in Sodom. How did Abram know that Lot was captured? Letter A. A man escaped and told him. Letter B. An angel told him. C. He heard rumors. D. The kidnappers asked for ransom. So in Bisaya, kay nagkagera madito sa ilang lugar, ang hari sa Sodom napildi og gipangwaan og mga kabtangan ang iyahang kingdom. Napil dito si Lot og ang iyahang mga property. Karon ang pangutana, paano nakabalo si Abram nga gikuha si Lot? Letter A, tungod kay nay nakaiskapo o gisultian siya. Letter B, tungod na anghel nga nagbisita kang Abram o gisultian si Abram. Letter C, nakadungog si Abram og kanang sulti-sulti gikan sa mga tao. Or letter D, ang mga nanguha kang Lot nangayo og bayad. Number 4. This was the first scene in the Bible where a tenth of earnings were offered to the Lord. Which is it? Letter A, the king of Melchizedek and also high priest of God asked for the tenth of the victor's loot. Letter B, the king of Sodom was so thankful that he gave a tenth of the riches to thank God. Letter C, Abram gave Melchizedek a tenth of all the loot he had recovered. Or letter D, God gave command to gather the tenth of all the loot. So, in number 4 in Bisaya, kani ang pinaka first na record sa Bible nga naigihatag nga ikapulo sa Ginoo. So asa ani ang tinuod nga sitwasyon? Letter A, ang hari nga si Melchizedek isa ka high priest ug nangayo siya og ikapulo gikan dito sa nadag-an nila. Letter B, ang hari sa Sodom sa kadako sa iyang pagpasalamat naghatag siya og ikapulo para magpasalamat sa Ginoo. Letter C, si Abram, bago niya gibalik ang mga na-recover niya nga mga kabtangan, naghatag siya ikapulo. Or letter D, ang Ginoo mismo ang nag-ingon nga tagai ko ninyog ikapulo. Number 5. Did Abram take any of the loot offered? Yes or no? In Bisaya, nagkuha ba si Abram atong mga kabtangan nga iyahang nabawi? Oo o dili. Number 6. Did Abram decide for the share of the loot for his allies Amer, Eshcol, and Mamre? Yes or no? In Bisaya, si Abram ba nagbuot-buot kung unsay loot or unsay share sa iyang mga kauban nga si Amer, Eskol og si Mamre? Yes or oo, no or dili. Number 7. Who did Abram assume was going to inherit his properties? A. Ishmael, B. Eliezer, C. Lot, D. His slaves. In Bisaya, kay katong mga panahon wala may anak si Abram, kung kinsa may gihuna niya mag-inherit or magkuha sa iyang magmana sa iyang mga kabtangan. Letter A, si Ishmael. Letter B, si Eliezer. Letter C, Lot. Letter D, ang iyahang mga slaves. Number 8. What offerings did God ask Abram to prepare when he asked, Sovereign Lord, how can I know they will be mine? A. Ram, goat, and dove. B. Cow, goat, dove, and pigeon. C. Cow, goat, ram, dove, and pigeon. D. Cow, goat, ram, dove, pigeon, and vulture. Katong nangutana si Abram sa Ginoo, Ginoo, unsa ako pagkabalo kaning mga butanga mahimong ako ah. Then the Lord asked for offerings. Unsa man ang iyang gipangayo? Letter A. Ang kanang torong sheep, kambing o kalapati, baka, kambing, kalapati o pigeon. Si baka, goat or kambing, kanang toro nga karnero, dove or kalapati, and pigeon. Or letter D, baka, kambing, toro nga sheep, dove, pigeon, and vulture. Kamo na lang sabot ana. Number 9. Abram fell asleep even though he was supposed to watch over the offering, so the consequence of it was A. Abram's descendants will scatter. B. Abram's descendants will be enslaved for hundreds of years. C. Abram's descendants will forget about him. Or D. Abram's descendants will be away from God for 4 generations. Number 9 in Bisaya. Si Abram atong nga time, nakatulog siya habang gipabantay siya sa Ginoo sa katong mga halad nga gipangayo sa Ginoo. Unsa may resulta aning iyang pagkatulog? Letter A. Magkalat ang lahi ni Abram. Letter B. Mahimong sulugoon ang lahi ni Abram. C. Makalimot sa iyaha ang lahi ni Abram. Or letter D. Makalimot sa Ginoo ang lahi ni Abram sa sulod sa 4 ka henerasyon. Number 10. After the sun set, what appeared in the middle of the offerings is a way for God to make a covenant with Abram. Letter A. Pot and torch. B. Fire. C. Burning bush. D. Light from heaven. Katong nadawat na sa Ginoo og he was going to make katong maghimo na siya kasunduan or covenant between himself, God, and Abram. Unsa may nitungha, unsa may ni kalitlag abot didto sa tunga sa mga offering. Letter A, isa ka pot o isa ka suga or torch. Letter B, kalayo. Letter C, burning bush, kanang tanom nga naay nagdilaab. Letter D, suga gikan sa langit. And now it's time to get to know your answers. Number 1. Why did Abram and Lot slave quarrel? Ganun, nag-away man sila? Letter D. Because there was not enough pasture. Number 2. Who made the choice first when Lot and Abram separated? The answer is Lot. Si Lot ang nag-decide nga siya ang nagpili kung asa siya mulakaw. Number 3. Because of war between kings, the king of Sodom was defeated and his kingdom looted. This included Lot and his properties because he lived in Sodom. So how did how did Abram know that Lot was captured? It's because a man escaped and told him about it. Number 4. This was the first scene in the Bible where a tenth of earnings were offered to the Lord. Which is it? First ni siya na ikapulo na record. The answer is letter C. Si Abram mismo pagkakuha niya sa tanan-tanan nga nabawi niya ang mga kabtangan nga gikuha sa mga kalaban, sa mga kings, iyahang gihatag usa ang ikapulo. He gave the 10th first before he returned everything. Number 5. Did Abram take any of the loot offered? So as I have mentioned, no, he returned everything. Number 6. Did Abram decide for the share of the loot for his allies, Amer, Eshcol, and Mamre? Nagbut-buot ba si Abram for his allies? The answer is no. He asked that they will have their share. Only that. Number 7. Who did Abram assume was going to inherit his properties? Diba, I have mentioned he had no son. He had no child. So therefore, who did he assume? Kinsa mo yung gihuna-huna nga makakuha sa iyong makabtangan? The answer is Eliezer. Number 8. What offerings did God ask Abram to prepare when he asked, Sovereign Lord, how can I know they will be mine? Nanguta naman si Abram, Lord, paano ko makabalo nga ako ani? He was talking about the land of Canaan. So the answer is letter C. Baka, kambing, toro nga karnero, kalapati, and pigeon. I'm not sure unsa ang pigeon nga translation, but I know you know pigeon. Number 9. Abram fell asleep even though he was supposed to watch over the offering, so the consequences of it was nakatulog lagi si Abram katong bantayan unta niya ang mga halad. So therefore, unsa may panghitabo, unsa may kambyo atong iyang pagkatulog? The answer is Abram's descendants will be enslaved for 400 years. 400s of years. Number 10. After the sun set, what appeared in the middle of the offering as a way for God to make a covenant with Abram? Unsa may nitunga dito tunga-tunga sa mga halad? The answer is a smoking pot and a torch. So if you read the Bible, you will get this correctly. And that is it. Thank you for joining us for Genesis chapter 13 all the way to 16 verses quiz. Join me again next time for Genesis chapter 16 to 18 for another quiz. Let us help each other study the Bible. And that's it. Goodbye everyone and happy Sabbath once again.